welcome back to the today's lecture. In last lecture or part 1 lecture we have seen modeling of a simple RCC building. Now in part 2 of this lecture we are going to see creating the GA drawings for this RCC building structure. Okay, now last time we have completed this model, okay, adding all the components over here and increasing the story. Now before creating any drawings we just need to go for first of all perform the numbering. So first of all you have to just select all the members, then go to this drawing and reports, and here you have to select the perform numbering, number of series of selected objects. Okay, so likewise all the numbers are get created, just click on save numbers. Now once you go on save numbers, here in case of this there is an option of master drawing catalog. Okay, so you just need to click on this option master drawing catalog. Now here in master drawing catalog we are having the cast unit drawings, okay, of different points. So here you can see there is a standard drawing, then cast unit drawing, CIP beam, then CIP column, CIP slab, okay, then strip footing, PC beams, PC hardware, okay, all the different drawings are available here. So whatever we need, we just select that. We need these CIP drawings, then we also need CIP beam, we also want this column, then pad footing and slab. Okay, now next is strip footing, which is not there in our structure. Okay, so PC, these drawings are not required. Again we can take one more CIP standard. Okay, and just you have to click over here, create the drawings. Okay, once you click over here, all the drawings are get started creating. So you can see over here, okay, drawings are created successfully. So you go to the document manager. Okay, now in document manager you can see in cast unit drawings all the drawings are got created. So let's see one by one. If I open this first drawing, you can see this is a cast unit drawing related to beams. Here the section of beam is provided. Similarly the bending schedule of that beam is also given. Okay, then along the length of the beam, how the strips are provided, the bars. Okay, then here these are the supporting columns, the length of the beam is added, then at two portions the section views is taken, the top view of the beam is also given. Okay, now here the three-dimensional view of the beam is shown. Then in section you can see the reinforcement is there. Okay, if you want you can just select this reinforcement and you can add the part mark. Okay, like here 25 at the rate of 139 center to center. Similarly you can add the part mark for this. Okay, you can just change the position. Okay, so likewise you can just make the necessary changes which you want, and here again you can see all the bending schedule is also provided. So this is for the B3. There are total 24 numbers of beam B3. Okay, and then the bending schedule is also mentioned for this. Okay, here again the detail sections view is also mentioned, where it is shown 3 bars of 25 mm at the rate of 139 mm center to center at the bottom side. Okay, then here 2 bars are there, and then at the top again 3 bars of 12 mm at the rate of 145. That is nothing but the top reinforcement, bottom reinforcement, and again 2 middle rows reinforcement is also there added over here. Okay, and these are the stirrups provided. Right, now similarly you can go to the, you can check the another drawings. Okay, here this is the drawing which is showing the slab reinforcement. Right, now this is one section and this is another side section. Okay, this side, then here this is the three-dimensional section. Okay, this is beam, the thickness of the slab is mentioned as 200 mm. Then in section views, again here the bending schedule is also mentioned S1. There are only 2 members of S1. Then here if you want then you can just add the part mark for this. Just select this, add the part mark, okay, or else you can just take the sections over here, okay, and I will just place that section over here. Okay, I will just delete this section now, because we need the cross section along this view, okay, which is already provided over here. So dimensions are also provided here. 8 mm fiber at the rate of 200 mm center to center, okay, and then this length bars are 8 mm fiber at the rate of again 200 mm center to center, right? So all these dimensions are provided over here in this and this side view, okay. Now similarly you can go for checking the drawings related to footing, and go to the document manager, see drawings, okay. This is the drawing which is there for showing the column reinforcement, okay. Here the schedule of columns. So C6 there are total 18 number of columns are there, number of members are there. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 at this floor and then 9 at this floor, okay. So total 18 number of members are there, okay, and all the reinforcement in the section view also it is mentioned over here, okay. Similarly the next drawing which is there in this document manager is nothing but related to foundation, okay. So here the foundation reinforcement is also provided, okay, along both the spans. So you can see there are total 9 number of footings are there, and then reinforcement in this direction as well as in the opposite direction is also mentioned over here, like 8 mm fiber at the rate of 200 mm center to center, then 16, okay, 16 mm fiber at the rate of 200 mm center to center, okay. So this 8 mm is nothing but the secondary bars, and this 16 mm are the primary bars. But normally in case of footings we can go for the 10 to 12 mm diameter of bars. As right now we have not edited any kind of reinforcement over here, by default whatever it is given by the software we kept the same. That's why the higher values of diameter are also shown over here, okay. So like this you can just create all the drawings over here, okay. And then next we can also create the GA drawing for this, okay. So in GA drawing we can select the plan at this bottom level, okay. So before this I will just close all the views from the 3-dimensional view, okay. Here before going for this I will just create the views along the grid lines again, okay. Now you can see that minus level is also there. If you open that minus level plan you can see only footings are there, so we need this one drawing. Then again we need the view along this view, so here you can go directly to the GA drawings. So I will take one by one plan at 1000, then I will take 3-dimensional, grid 1 and then grid 2, okay, all drawings in one and then create, okay. You can see all the drawings are get created over here, okay. And then by applying the settings you can just add the part marks in these drawings, okay. here if I'm selecting this view, and I will select this part mark. So profile, add, should be always visible, modify, apply, OK. You can see the beam profiles are shown over here. The same, we will add the part mark for this. Okay. This is the reinforcement it is showing. Okay, because this is zero level plan. Okay, if you want, you can add the dimensions, horizontal dimensions and vertical dimensions for this. Okay, like this. Right, then again in this view the part marks are already added over here. Even in this view also the part marks are added. You can just select this view and then we just remove the part mark from this 3D view. Okay, you can see the part marks are removed from this particular section. Okay, likewise, and then just add that part list over here. So I will go to the properties and edit the layout of this. Okay, in layout we will just add the tables over here. So here we just need to add the details of the members, that is nothing but the cast unit list. Okay, so here you can see the cast unit list is there. We select this and we just need to paste it over here. Okay, so you can see S1, F2, C6 and B3, the sizes are there. Okay, then again you can add the list of short notes. Okay, that all holds and all. Okay, other than this, if you want to add, you can add this. Okay, and then save this. Okay, so you can see like this the table is get added over here. Similarly, as I said to you, you forget to add that construction notes over here. Okay, so we just add that construction notes. You have to just select over here. You can see you can add the footing schedule also. So if I select over here, you can see the footing schedule. Whatever you are putting details of single part unit list is there. In that you can add this footing details, then column details and all. Okay, so as this is GA, you just delete this. You need to add the notes over here. You can just select this and you can just check whether any table information is as per your requirement. You can just keep it. Okay, drawing title contain multiple rebar schedule, single note. Okay, I can't find that shortness. Okay, so I will just close this. So like this the GA drawing is get created for that section. Okay, so accordingly you can see this much number of drawings you need to create for any type of RCC building. Now along with these drawings, it is one more important thing is that we can also take up the quantities through here. by creating the reports. So going to the drawing and reports, you can just click on the reports, and here you can see this window open up over here. Okay, so in this you just need to select the table which is showing the cast unit list. Okay, so here I'm just selecting this cast unit bill of materials, so create from all. Okay, you can see here all the members reinforcing bars, then their quantities, grade, dimension. Okay, for C6, for F2, all that reinforcement quantity is taken off. Okay, similarly if you want, you can just select this cast unit list also. Okay, here you can see B3 there are 24 number of beams having this cross section, then C6, F2 and S1. Okay, area, weight and their volume is also provided. Okay, so like this, you first create the model of this, then create that cast unit drawings for column, beam, footing and slab, and further at the end create the shear drawings. Now, along with these drawings you can also create the quantity takeoff of bill of material and cast unit list. Okay, so for today we just stop over here. Now in our next video we can see one more RCC plan, okay, where we have added the staircase and all that details also. Okay, so thank you.